Hey Mommy Nation, today I'm going to show you how I achieve my twist out. I start off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I use a leave-in, an oil, a gel, a cream, and good old-fashioned water. I start off by parting my hair. I like to rock a side part. And then I section my hair in 3 sections using clips to hold them steady. I start off on the back section, and in the back section, I split that into 2 subsections. Then I completely saturate my hair with water and then apply each one of my products, starting with the leave-in conditioner, then the oil, then the cream, and finally the gel. I make sure I detangle as I go so that I can have smooth, knotless curls. I'm very generous with the water, the leave-in conditioner, and the oil. I want to make sure that my hair is completely moisturized so that my curls are popping. I use about 3/4 size of leave-in, 2/4 size of oil, and then 1/4 size of cream and gel. And now the fun begins. I take a medium-sized section and split it in 2. I make sure that those 2 sections are of equal parts and lengths. And then I just start twisting from root to end. Here I've slowed it down in real time. As you can see, I take 2 equal parts and twist them around each other, hand over hand. I detangle as I go down because, like I said, I don't want any knots or tangles. You can see I run my thumb through the hair to detangle. When I get to the end, I wrap the hair around my finger so that my ends can curl, sometimes adding a little more gel or leave-in conditioner, depending on what I need. Then I move on to the next section, tackling each section one at a time. The front of my hair is more loose than the rest, so I have to use perm rods on the front of my hair to make sure that it curls all the way to the end. I use the smallest perm rods that I have and just secure it on there, twist it up a little, and tighten them. After you're done twisting, you can sit under a hooded dryer, or you can do like me and let it dry overnight. I just put a bonnet on and go to sleep. Here we are, all done with the twist. You can see that the twists are nice and juicy and plump. This side curls all on its own all the way to the end, while the other side I have to use perm rods. But that's okay, we'll still achieve a bomb twist out. Here I am the next day, ready to take my twist out. There is a right and wrong way to untwist. You want to cover your hands in oil, making sure that you get your fingertips. Completely cover your hair and then begin to untwist. Be gentle. Using oil and being gentle will reduce frizz. Just untwist your hair and let it naturally do its thing. After you've unraveled the twist, you just use your thumb to separate the curls, pulling apart where your hair naturally wants to separate. Unravel all twists in each section, making sure that you don't miss any. And then you're ready to fluff, pick, and style. I flip my hair over and run my fingers through my hair so that my roots are lifted. And then I take my handy dandy pick and I pick from the bottom. That way I don't disturb my curls or add any frizz. I like my top kind of fluffy, so continue to pick, and style. I lay my edges down just a bit, and there you have it. The perfect twist out. To protect my hair at night, I just use a large bonnet, putting all the hair in the bonnet. I go to sleep, wake up the next morning, pull it off, fluff and style, and I'm ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on MrsMyk and Mommy Nation on Instagram.